Yeah. Check me out, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everybody. Remember the X5 I told y'all about? Yeah. Guess what? It's ours. It's ours. Yeah, we own it. So, me and the owners came to an agreement, and I bought it. It's officially mine. I ordered the parts for it. I think you need an alternator. Jump started to start, but took the battery terminals off. She dies immediately. So, I think it's the alternator. All the research I've done is pointing to the alternator. Alternator's right there. Won't be too hard to do. So, that's what I'm about to do. Bought the new alternator. Looked it up online, it ain't too hard. So, about to get to work. I had I jump started it, and it was making a lot of noise. Engine was shaking real bad. A friend of mine got the same car. He's saying it's the pulley. He believes it's the idler pulley, or one of these pulleys, because he said he having the same similar issue. So we gonna see, y'all. We gonna see. But I'm gonna set up my tripod so y'all can watch me get down. Try to get this alternator off. Forgot to bring my gloves, so most likely, look, hands already getting dirty. But effort, it's a man's world. Charge the battery. Hopefully that charge doesn't look too good according to the charger, but oh, matter of fact, I don't even need these. I need the other one. But I charged the battery. I got a battery charger in the house. don't want to break it. So fuck it. Just goddamn great. Just fucking great. There go the cat. I know what that is. Take off. Shit. Fuck it. Get it later. There go the other cat. Goddamn caps. Fuck it. I'll get it later. At least they had a 10mm. Let's see. Somebody said it's a T50, somebody said it's an 8mm Allen. Let's see which one of these guys was lying.
Hush your mouth. Come on, Romani. Come on.
Well, it ain't a fucking 8mm Allen key. That guy's lying. Let's see if an Allen key for that fucking home. It's 8mm. See if it's 7 feet, 6 feet, bro. I feel like I'm a stripper, so let me try 7. See if it's snug. 7 don't fit. Let me try 6. Let's see if I'm tuning it the wrong way, maybe. Nah, I'm just gonna strip it. I ain't gonna do it, so I don't wanna fuck up the boat. Yeah, it looks like a failure, y'all. Bolt snapped. Don't know how much of the bolt is snapped off in there, but I'm guessing it's a lot because it's right at the beginning of the threads. So So I'm guessing it's at least probably an inch, maybe more. Don't know how that's gonna pan out. Might have to take off the front end to try to get in there, and maybe have to try to drill it out. But it's hard to get to that second bolt down there. I think I'm gonna end up having to take the fan off, and I'm gonna need a big wrench to do that, which I don't have. So I think for now this is the end. For now, I have to go get a big wrench. Have to go get a big wrench and get that fan off. I need more room, and I want to get the ratchet on the bolt so we're straight on there, not at an angle or crooked, because that's another way to snap the bolt. So I think in the next day or two I'll be back at it. But got one bolt out, just got one more bolt left, but it's hard to get to with that fan in the way. And confidence is kind of low now, being that I broke the damn bolt. Now I'm a little leery. Break another bolt. I'm scared now. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a wrap for today. It's about 5 o'clock. Feel a little defeated. But come back next time, knock it out. Signing off. Like, comment, share, subscribe. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. We out.